Good afternoon. I'd like to begin this press conference by announcing that today the Ohio Christian Alliance has filed suit, the Ohio Supreme Court, to challenge the action by Governor Strickland and the Lottery Commission. And our attorney has spelled that out in the complaint that is here today. Also, we are seeking a injunctive order by a temporary restraining order that we've asked the court today and asked them to move expeditiously on this, seeing how tomorrow is the date in which the first of the installment of the licensing fees are due to the state of Ohio from the 7 racetracks, and that will be a $13 million installment fee, and that starts tomorrow. So we would like to see the court give us a temporary restraining order until they can hear the full case. My comments will be brief, and then I would like for the co-plaintiffs to join us as well. They are Representative Seth Morgan, Representative John Adams, Representative Ron Amstutz, and then representing us as our attorney will be State Senator Tim Grindell. And we are pleased that these gentlemen have joined us in this suit. When the Ohio legislature and Governor Strickland rushed through House Bill 1 with the executive directive, they violated the state constitution, and that's the charge that we're going to make in our suit. There was no clear 3 readings of HB 1 in the final conference committee before it was voted on by the Ohio General Assembly. In fact, the over 3,000 pages that were presented no one at the Ohio House had time to read that final brief before it was voted on that day. That's simply put bad government. We're here today because we have no recourse. Generally, as a public policy voter education organization, we encourage our members to register to vote, participate in the electoral process, and to lobby their legislators and to write their legislators. Well, now that we've been en routed in this process 4 times in the past 2 decades, Ohio voters have resoundingly voted down any attempts to expand gambling in Ohio. By this action by Governor Strickland, he has expanded gambling and cheated the voters of Ohio in the process. Therefore, we have turned to the Ohio Supreme Court to hear our plea in this matter, and hoping that they will understand exactly what the issues are and grant us our hearing. The rest of my statements are available in a press release, and I at this time would like to introduce Representative Seth Morgan and Representative John Adams and Representative Ron Amstutz, who are also part of this lawsuit.